Parang nasa sinyal tayo ah. Laki ah. Hindi pa masakit yung ano, wala pang radiation na mas mataas.
Oh,
Wala radiation na masakit ang mata.
pagtatayo lang.
O, yung pagtatayo, sobrang nga.
Okay nga, malinaw na malinaw talaga eh.
Tiwala. Sige, ikaw subukan mo muna. Patunayan mo sa akin. Patutunayan ko. Pero gagamitin mo rin. O sige, gagamitin ko yan. Kung talagang gumagana yan. Sabi mo yan, ha? Doraemon!
Manual.
Again. Ito ka,
Yan po. At saka, yung remote niya. So, wala siyang kasamang HDMI cable. Bakit ganon?
Short, YouTube.
Piliin mo yung vitamins na may right ingredient.
Likot mo naman, William.
Of course, this video is spoiler-free. Any of the cutscenes you see here are pretty early on. So, this game takes place on Pandora after the events of the first movie. You and a group of Navi children are basically...
May anak?
All through the town, the babies on the bus go wah, wah, wah.
This is Charlie Hodge. He's like, man.